on, my friends? I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. You're watching the Snow Boss, and we're getting ready for another storm. Let's get into it. Here we are. Another storm is upon us. This one looks like a front end of some snow and ice changing over to rain later today, but we have a 1 to 3 inch accumulation possibility before it turns to rain. So we are out here pre-treating this morning. This afternoon it rolls in, and by 9-10 o'clock I believe it turns over to rain. So here we are. You can see, already done all this pre-treat. What's really nice is when there's no cars in the way, I can hit it with the side boom and do very little hose work. So it makes it much faster, much easier. But when there's one car here today, but when there's cars here, you can't do that. You gotta do all the hose work. So slows things down. But here we are getting ready. We'll see what happens this afternoon. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Hopefully we get something, plow it, and turns to rain and we go home. Guys, so it is about 4 hours after we had done our pre-salt. You can see doing pretty good. Snow is starting to pick up a little bit. Looks like we got some heavy stuff coming toward us. If it stays snow, I mean, we're already at an inch on not paved surface, but an inch nonetheless. So looks like we might have 2 more in us. 2 more inches probably. This will all cover up good if those bands look like they're coming our way. Hold together. Operation plowing should commence, and then scrape it, plow it, brine it, turns to rain, go home. That's the plan anyway. See how long it stays snow before it turns over. Alright guys, just an update. We end up with probably about 2 inches. About 2 inches here on the ground. It has now switched to freezing rain. It is instantly freezing on all surfaces. Yay for us. So we'll do what we do. Scrape and brine, do all that fun stuff. So yeah, let's go. show you how much freezing rain we had, I'm going to bring you over here to my antenna. This whole antenna was covered all the way down. It's melted now, but you can see how much ice we had. Looks like a good quarter inch on there. Yeah, so that was all covered in ice. So crazy how much we had. Yeah, ice. That's 4 storms in a row with ice. This one was the worst for sure with the freezing rain. Alright guys, so here we are 12 hours after our last salting event. Ended up with about a ½ inch of snow, nothing plowable. We just hit it with 3 rounds of de-icer. It was sleeting for the last hour, very, very lightly, and all of a sudden it has now changed to snow. And now it's snowing. And it's snowing pretty good. So, we had a plan for the sleet, and the freezing rain was going to be more of a de-icing situation, but if it keeps on snowing like this, we are going to be plowing this shortly. We'll see where this takes us. It's been quite the week so far weather-wise, so we'll see. Guys, so we are wrapping it up. We had about 1.5 inches of snow, and then it proceeded to give us freezing rain for 7 hours. So the blacktop is pretty good. Blacktop, all the concrete as usual, because it's colder, took on all the ice. So just finishing up, this is actually my last place, and we'll be able to wrap it up for the night. So we're gonna end that one here. There is a potential coming this week in about 4 days. we'll leave it at that. Hopefully hopefully the hammer drops and we get a big one. If you like what you see, guys, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you next snowstorm or ice storm.